Good morning, this is Dr. Doreste with the Cranial Release Technique. I wanted to do a video that's a little different from anything else I've done before. And in my experience over the last 20 years teaching this work, I bump into all sorts of practitioners, predominantly chiropractors, but not always. And one of the things they tell me, and one of the reasons that attracts them to this work, to the Cranial Release Technique, is that they all say the same thing, and that is, we went to school because we wanted to help people. And after 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years of practice in whatever profession, acupuncture, chiropractic, massage, physical therapy, any of the holistic fields, say, we feel like we're just chasing our tail. We're doing what we've been told to do. We're helping people, but we know that there's something missing, and we really don't know what that is. And then I watched one of your videos, and you hit on something that I never really thought about or never really researched, which is the cranium. And why is the cranium so important for overall health and just overall wellness at every level? And the general theory out there for most practitioners is it became a job. When I was in school, I was excited. I couldn't wait to get into the office. I couldn't wait to work on people. And now, after years and years and years, between dealing with patients, dealing with insurance companies sometimes, dealing with all the stresses of running a business in 2023. They're looking for a simple, streamlined procedure to get great results in a short amount of time. And cranial release is it for them. This is what they've been looking for. So the point of the video is, if you're out there and you're a practitioner and you're going along, you're doing your chiropractic, you're doing your acupuncture, you're doing whatever it is that you do every day, and you're looking to improve results, reduce stress, have more fun in practice and more fun in life, then you really should consider looking into the cranial release technique and learning how to do this work so you can help so many more people at a much deeper level. Again, I was just on the phone a few minutes ago with another chiropractor, longtime practitioner, cranial release practitioner in the Salt Lake City area. And it's the same thing with him. He's been doing it for 40 years. And it's like he never gets tired of seeing what happens when you apply cranial release. By the way, his name is Rawlings. He's in the Sandy, Utah, right outside of Salt Lake City. And so if you're out there in that part of the country or that part of the world, he would be your man. If you want to get on the table and receive a CRT from a black belt, Lance Rawlings in Utah. And again, it's the same story. I mean, especially most of us that have been out a while. In another year, I'll be out of practice. I'll be in practice for 40 years. And so, after 40 years of going in and just the physical stress on you as the practitioner, as a chiropractor, it's very demanding. As a therapist, my wife's a massage therapist. I know how demanding it is on the practitioner. So even if you did want to continue your chiropractic or your massage or your physical therapy or whatever it is that you do, if you want to just do the cranial release first, that will relax all the tissue and make your adjustment much easier, your massage much easier, your acupuncture much more beneficial, much more efficient. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like, share, and subscribe. We really need to get this workout and the word out to people all over the planet, so thank you for that. And if you are a practitioner, I would recommend you visit the website at cranialrelease.com. There's a button there called Online Training. You can click the Online Training button. That will take you to a different site, give you more information about everything you need to know. There's the modules to teach you the technique. There's the manual that goes through everything you need to know about cranial release. There's the patient education information. So how do you explain this to a patient and get them to understand it so they want to come in, bring their friends and family on a regular basis for the rest of their life, not because their back hurts, not because their shoulder hurts, not because they have headaches, but because they want their body to function optimally. That's what cranial release is all about. Optimal function. This is Dr. Doreste with the Cranial Release Technique. Hope to see you down the road. Hope to see you at the training site. See you over there at cranialrelease.com. Thanks so much for watching. You have a fabulous day. Adios, my friends.